Right. So, hi. Welcome back. So, I did say that I was going to fix the linear programming problem. As it turns out, there are a couple more constraints in the textbook that we did not consider. One is that you cannot have any stock out at the end of the sixth month. So, there is an extra constraint that you have to add, saying that the by the end of the sixth month, stock out has to be equal to zero, no stock out by the end of 6 months. So you have that. So that's one constraint. And finally, the inventory at the end of the sixth month has to be at least 500. So there's a constraint saying that you want to have 500 units of inventory left over by the end of the 6 months to have some buffer on being able to sell some items. So those were two extra constraints that were not in the PowerPoints that we needed to add. So with that, there you go. So this is and this is the aggregate plan that you will see, right? So you started with 80 workers, you lay off 11 workers, you end up with 69 workers, and this is the plan. So at the you're going to so you have a one-time layoff cost. After that, you're keeping your you essentially have workforce constant throughout your throughout the period, and all your constraints are satisfied. You'll notice that overtime 688, which means that you are using overtime, and you'll notice that you're not using overtime, so you're essentially not doing anything. You're not doing any subcontracting either. You are taking on some stock out values. So it turns out that it is better to stock out rather than to subcontract, because it is probably cheaper to stock out than to subcontract, right? So with all of that, this is the total cost, 443,000 and $875, and that's the final solution. I will post this on Canvas, and yeah, take it.